Hi everybody. I am now gonna put up my it's 99.9% light oh here I'm forgetting what it's called again, blackout curtain. So it's 99.9% that you can't see through it, and I put the flashlight on my phone up against it in the store, and it's can't see anything. So I had an idea. I was kind of wondering if I should do it a few different ways, and it just, there's so many curves in, you know, in vans, and mine has this curve here and it goes down here. And before I just stabbed some holes in, I got this idea from Van CD Van Life. He just stabbed a hole in the headliner and put up a pole, and that's what he did. But mine is, I don't know how his van is, but mine is so rounded in here that I had this gap on top when I did have a pole, and then I went to that, you know, tarp bungee thing. So now I'm thinking there's, I don't know if it's every 1.5 feet, there's support beams, and they're about this deep. And I was thinking today, if I was just to slice the headliner off all the way through there, I could put my blackout curtain material, magnet it up, and I have a really strong magnet. Here it is back here. I'm gonna find it. And I could get other magnets, but I have this magnet. I got it from Princess Auto, and I actually used to hang clothes on it. Used to put it on the ceiling. I just don't have enough room to hang much in here. I don't have enough room in here to change my mind. Anyway, this magnet is very, very strong. And I have quite a few of these magnets, which are really good. So I'm going to do that, and then along the sides of the van here, on the plastic, I'm going to put some Velcro. The sticks on this material, and that's what I'm going to work on now. And then I don't have to worry at night. I always concerned that someone can see in, and I'm stuffing all kinds of stuff in there. So I'm really happy to get this blackout material, which is, I picked, you can get them in white and gray and probably red, different colors, but I wanted black or dark gray like it's in here, and they did have black. So that's great. I'll let you know the progress as I go along. I'm simply just, I found out where the end of the support is on the other side. I'm just going to just run this box knife along and cut as close as I can to it, and maybe I can fix it up if it's not so even after. Just to cut this, it's probably a foot. Cut that out. Now, you can see, there's the metal stud. Support, whatever they're called, and I'm thinking with this really strong magnet, and I can go to Princess Auto and get more, I can put the blackout curtain there, and as it comes along here, then it's also metal here, and this is the plastic. I can take the Velcro, which I have. Found some from our last project I did in here last year, but I take this and stick it a piece all the way down. I want it to go down fairly low, so that almost to the ground, so no light seeps out. But yeah, it's funny, you know, I was thinking of different ideas, and then I came up with this one yesterday and it felt right, so I thought, okay, I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be nice at night where I can read or do whatever. I don't have to worry about always just shutting the light off. Well, I think that looks a lot better than that like green cover curtain that I had up there for about a year, a little less than a year. Yeah, eventually if I want to slice this down here so I can make it so that I can overlap it on the inside and make it easier to kind of look out sometimes. I bought this product, I should bring it and show you, but it's in a little bottle, and you can put it on with a little tiny brush to stop it from fraying, because I don't have access to a sewing machine, even though I've done a lot of sewing in my life, just to stop it from fraying, because this material does fray, I guess, if it's got a cut edge. But anyway, I feel a lot better, and it's dark back there, and it's, you might be able to tell, it's quite sunny out today. Anyway, that is, it's funny, it wasn't very expensive. It was $11 something like $11.50 a meter, and I bought 1.5 meters because I wanted to go all the way to the ground. And I think it was 56 inches wide, this skein of stuff. So now that is gonna be like really good, and I might even get some from my back windows, because I've put some insulation in the back window, and I also put some other material I bought last year. It's kind of a quilting material, quilted material, but you can see through the little triangle sewn triangles that are on it, and so that's not the best. So I've kind of been, like, you can't see through the back, but at night I worry that you might be able to if I had my light on and that, so it's kind of a fail back there. But I might go get some more of this and then just cut it the shape of the back there and magnet it on, and it'll be a good thing, I think so. Anyway, it was pretty quick to cut that this headliner stuff. And then there's a dumpster right out here, conveniently. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. And I just threw it in there. I'm down at the river again. Edmonton, I'll let you know a little fact about the cities of all the cities in Canada, Edmonton has the most like forests and parks throughout the city in any other city in Edmonton, which is really kind of nice. Anyway, I hope you're all having a fantastic day, and it's Friday now. I'm going to finish up that video of the dresser I put in the back that I started yesterday. It's doing okay too, but you know, slowly getting things a little bit more livable in here that works better for me. See you on the next one.